Welcome back, incredible community. Today on Dr. Sebi Journal, we're ripping through the silence surrounding a topic often whispered but rarely understood: herpes. It's time to move beyond the whispers and into a space of open dialogue. It's time to replace judgment with empathy and create a community where everyone's story is heard, understood, and embraced. It's time to decode the secrets, break free from the stigma, and have a real talk about herpes.
Herpes is a chronic infection of the skin that affects oral and genital parts of the body. It has two types: HSV-1, the cold sore champion, loves hanging around the mouth, while HSV-2, the genital warrior, sets up shop below the belt. It's like a showdown between face and nether regions.
If I talk about the prevalence of this pesky infection, the number is insanely big. Herpes infection is now a disease of several billion, according to World Health Organization. It is an uncannily communicable infection responsible for causing episodes of nasty lesions. This contagious infection is attached with a strong societal stigma. The question is, why herpes has become so prevalent, and that how does herpes infection spread? Number 1. Direct contact. The primary culprit. Herpes primarily spreads through direct contact with an infected person's skin or mucous membranes. This can happen through activities like kissing, intimate contact, or even oral genital contact. Understanding the importance of protection during these moments is crucial. Number 2. Asymptomatic shedding, the sneaky factor. One of the trickiest aspects of herpes is that it can be spread even when there are no visible symptoms. Asymptomatic shedding occurs when the virus is active on the skin's surface, but no signs are present. This makes regular testing and open communication key in preventing transmission. Number 3. Sharing isn't always caring. Avoid sharing personal items like utensils, towels, or razors with someone who has herpes. These everyday items can become vehicles for the virus. Whether you're in a new relationship or have been with someone for a while, open communication about sexual health is essential. Using barriers like condoms and dental dams during intimate activities can significantly reduce the risk of transmission. Now that you have gained knowledge about the causes of herpes, it's time to explore how you can recognize if you've caught a herpes infection. What symptoms might you experience during the course of the infection? Here's the answer. Tingling sensation. Ever felt your body dropping subtle hints? It's like a tingling whisper, a quiet secret your skin is trying to share. Before the main act begins, some individuals may experience a tingling or itching sensation in the affected area. It's like a gentle alert of herpes infection. As the infection progresses, redness and irritation become noticeable. It's as if the skin is sending out signals, painting a visual cue of the body's response to the herpes virus. Cold sore formation. The hallmark of a herpes infection is the formation of small, fluid-filled blisters. These blisters can appear in clusters and may be painful. It's like an unwelcome ensemble on your skin's stage. Flu-like symptoms. Herpes doesn't just stop at the surface. Flu-like symptoms may accompany the infection, including body aches, fever, and fatigue. It's as if the body is launching a defense against the viral intrusion. Nerve pain. Herpes has a way of getting under your skin, literally. Nerve pain can manifest as tingling, burning, or shooting sensations in the affected area. These are the most common symptoms most people experience during herpes outbreaks. For now, let's wrap it up. In our next video, we'll delve into the treatment options and explore the reasons behind the absence of a vaccine for the herpes virus. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.